Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Kafka topics with Confluent Cloud Backup Tools, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up Kafka topics using Confluent Cloud Tools, log into your Confluent Cloud account. Navigate to the Kafka Environments section in the dashboard. Select the appropriate environment where your Kafka topics are located. Check the list of existing topics under that environment. Decide on the topics you wish to backup. Take note of the topic names and their configurations. Next, go to the Backups section in the left-hand menu. Click on Create Backup to initiate the backup process. Select the topics you want to include in the backup. Choose the backup frequency that suits your needs, whether it be daily, weekly, or monthly. Specify the retention period for the backup data to determine how long it should be stored. In the configuration settings, ensure all relevant options are selected for your specific use case. Review the settings and confirm that everything is correct. Click on Start Backup to begin the process. Monitor the backup progress in the dashboard to ensure it completes successfully. Once finished, you will receive a notification confirming the backup status. To restore a backup, navigate back to the Backups section. Select the specific backup you wish to restore from the list. Click on Restore and follow the prompts to initiate the restoration. Monitor the restoration process to ensure all selected topics are restored correctly. This completes the backup and restoration process for your Kafka topics using Confluent Cloud Tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.